Did you know that most people use only 30% of Telegram's capabilities? That's why I assure you that if you watch this video, you will learn the secret tips of the messenger, which will make your communication easier and more fun, and will give you the opportunity to use Telegram 100%. If you don't believe me, you can see for yourself, and in the end, let me know in the comments which of the life hacks you found the most useful. It's the Teleblog channel, and let's get started. If you open YouTube and search for some videos on Telegram's tips, almost all of them overlap with one another, telling you about typical features. However, this video is different. I've carefully selected only those tricks that no one's ever talked about, so please turn your attention. The first, unobvious but useful feature is about the video viewer. By default, when you open a chat, channel or group, videos uploaded directly to Telegram are played without sound. Normally, you have to click on the video so that it opens full screen and has sound, right? However, the messenger allows you to turn on the sound of the video without opening it full screen. To do this, just press one of the volume buttons while scrolling and Telegram will turn on the sound. It allows you to skip an unnecessary step if you don't need to open the video full screen. Another Telegram tricks regarding video and voice messages is, of course, speeding up and slowing down messages. When you open any video in full screen, and by the way, this applies to both Telegram and YouTube videos, click on the three dots in the right corner of the screen and select Speed. Here you can increase the playback speed by 1.5 or 2 times, and in addition, you can slow it down by half. I mean, this option was more or less obvious and well known, but with voice messages, it's not that simple. It turns out that Telegram developers did not announce that they had added the ability to slow down and speed up voice messages too. I've been really looking forward to being able to increase the playback speed by 1.5 times. When you open a voice message, long press on the 2x icon and you get a submenu with speed changes. Moreover, the messenger also allows you to slow down audio playback by half. Give this video a thumbs up if you've been looking forward to it too. And a little more about audio and video. You can add a timestamp to a video caption or reply, which will link to the exact moment in the footage. It should be noted that this works for both Telegram videos and YouTube videos. When sending a video in the same message, just add a timestamp like you see on the screen now. It will be automatically highlighted as a link, and tapping on a timestamp will play the video from the right spot. Note that if you make a timestamp that's longer than the video length, it won't be highlighted. Overall, it's a quite well-known tip which has existed for many years in Telegram. However, you can do the same with voice messages too. Just add a timestamp to the voice message and you will be able to go to that right spot. Since Telegram allows you to record long audio messages, broadcasts, and video chats, this feature will be very useful when searching for specific fragments. By the way, if you're a newcomer to my channel, thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate if you could also subscribe, so hit the button right now and don't forget to turn on the notifications. You will find more Telegram tips and life hacks here. And we're moving on. Next tips are about texting. The Telegram team is actively improving the functionality in various fields of their app, and now users who are in groups of up to 50 people can see who's read their message. Usually when you send a message in a group, you first get 1 tick next to it, and once someone's read it, you get 2 ticks. Now you can long press the message and you'll see the number of viewers, and if you tap on them, you'll see the people who have read the message. Here, if you want to, you can tap on the person's profile. Information about views is stored up to 7 days for security reasons. Besides this feature, I'll tell you about another rather amusing one. Normally, if a person wants to write someone in the group, they have to first tap on the user's picture and then select chat or make an audio or video call. But if you long press on the user's avatar in the group, you'll get a submenu where you can also open their profile, chat with them, as well as mention the user in the group chat. The latter is also super convenient because you don't have to click on the @ sign and choose a person from a drop-down list. In the meantime, the Telegram team has improved video messages and taken them to the next level. With a new update, first of all, round videos now play across the width of the entire chat, and when you stop them, you can now scroll forward and back. Besides, many users didn't even notice this, but you can see with the naked eye that the quality of these videos has improved too. But that's not it. One of the coolest features of video messages is zooming, which wasn't available before. Start recording a video with your rear camera and try to zoom in with your 2 fingers. Keep in mind that if you remove your fingers, the zoom will return to its default position. I also want to note that for Android, zoom works for both rear and front cameras, whereas iOS users can only zoom using the rear one. Besides, another great tip is about forwarding messages. Select one or more messages that you want to forward. Tap on the send button, then select the chat that you want to share information with, and this is where things get interesting. Below you will find everything you want to share. Click there and you'll get a submenu where, if you want to, you can remove messages that you don't need, hide the recipient name, this one I find super convenient and cool, hide a title to any media file that you want to send, and so on. And if you suddenly choose the wrong chat that you want to forward your messages to, Telegram allows you to change the recipient. I personally feel that forwarding has become super functional and convenient. And the last but not least bonus, which barely anyone knows about, concerns copying. But before I get to it, I remind you that your likes are the key to making new and most fascinating videos. Give us a thumbs up, and we're moving on. Telegram allows you to copy text fragments of a message. In order to do this, go to any chat and long press the message that you need. Then choose the part that you want to highlight. With the help of a slider, you can choose the area of the text that you need. And then just tap copy and whatever you want to do with it. As simple as that. And now it's time to share which of the tips you found the most fascinating and which you didn't know about. Maybe it wasn't new for you at all? No worries, share in the comments the life hacks that you know. I'm gonna talk about them in my next videos. And that's all I have. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and find out all the secrets about Telegram.